Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, nothing has changed for me. I definitely still am looking at this as either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. Running flat wave C is likely to turn at one of these two fib levels, making a lower high, and expanding flat wave C is likely to go up to the 161, 178, making a higher high, expanding wave C. Either scenario, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm personally still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think it's a wave one. Now, I do have an alternative count that possibly would have this going down and making a new lower low, but I still, for now, because it hasn't broken down, I'm calling this a WXY wave two, wave one, and I still think there's a pretty good chance that this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave three. So, taking a look at it on the daily time frame. Now, the euro has been very, very, very weak as of lately, which is why I do have a little bit of an alternative count, which is this is possibly an A, and then this is possibly 1, 2, 3 waves up of an A of B, 1, 2, 3 waves down B of B, and then 5 waves up for what is possibly a wave C of a running flat wave B. If it is a wave C of a running flat wave B, then this is more likely going to keep on going down, probably take out these previous lows before it actually does end this wave 2 and continue up for a wave 3. But I always try to keep all bullish and bearish possibilities open because I am definitely still looking at this move down as possibly a crutch to this move up. If it does respect this Fibonacci level and turn back up, then I definitely will go long. But like I said, I'm trying to keep the bearish scenario in my mind also. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I would personally still be looking for shorts. Unless this thing makes a very significant break and starts it to the upside, I definitely would be looking at these moves up as sorting opportunities. And then if it continues to respect the 78, goes up and breaks structure, or if it just keeps on going up and breaks this structure, that would definitely turn me into a buyer. But as of right now, the trend is down on the daily. It could be a wave C, or it could also turn into like an expanding wave C, like I was explaining on the higher daily time frame. Either way, I'm definitely looking for shorts until the market tells me otherwise. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, unless this goes up and breaks this high, very, very strong impulsive moves up, I am definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. I would be looking at this move up as possibly another ABC Crescent. So if I do see 3 waves up, if I do see a lower high, impulsive engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for shorts in a downtrend at least until my roadmap higher time frames like the 4 hour and daily time frame give me some sort of a break of starts to the upside or a higher low or at least some reason to think that this trend is back up. The trend is my friend, and I definitely continue to trade with the trend until the market tells me otherwise. So I'm definitely still looking for 3-way pullbacks to go short for the continuation of this higher time frame trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.